So I have patients, they ask me like, oh, doctor, what's all on X? What about these implants, these hybrids? What is that about? It's pretty simple. We use between 6 implants or 4 implants, and we're gonna give you a full arch with teeth. Those teeth, they're not gonna come out. They're gonna be fixed in your mouth. The only time that we remove them is when we do maintenance. But it's gonna be me, the one who's gonna do it, not the patient. You're gonna go back and chew the food that you loved before. Your palate, you're gonna be able to feel your palate. This is not compared at all to dentures. There's a reason we're seeing those all-on-X treatment be more popular these days, and it's because we're getting more expertise on this. We learned that we just need a few implants to do a full mouth restoration, a full arch. Back in the days, we used to do 1 implant per tooth, which the expense was really high, and it wasn't a treatment that, let's say it for everyone. It was costly. You have to think, when you have dental implants, you don't have to ever worry about, I'm gonna have a root canal afterwards, I'm gonna have sensitivity on this tooth. Those kind of fears, they disappear. And when you put them together, the price and the expense to sometimes doing several bridges on your mouth, the all-on-X is gonna overcome the cost. You're looking right now at this video and say, oh, but I spent a lot of money before doing crowns or root canals, and why I'm going to do this? You have to do it because you deserve it. Because believe me, chewing, talking, that's something that is help us as humans to socialize. And it's gonna be something that is gonna impact your life. I promise.